Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Discord overlay. So in this case, log into Discord first. After login, go to this user settings, then scroll down till you find game overlay. Under the activity settings, you'll find game overlay. Click on this and you can see here enable in game overlay, which is turned on. If this turned off, you should turn this on simply like this, and then you have to restart this just application and log in again. Your game overlay is turned on. So guys, this is how you can turn on game overlay in Discord or overlay in Discord. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.